after I prime my eyes, I'm gonna go in with a transition shade. And a transition shade is really just something like to blend the shadows out better, to make sure that, you know, your stuff is blended and right. So I'm gonna go in with this pink right here. Excuse how, you know, jacked up this palette is, but yeah, I'm gonna go in with this pink shade and I'm gonna apply this to my eyelids.
Meet me at the bar, respect me, pimpin'. Tell me how you feel, mama, tell me what you see. A certified dime piece, sir.
I'm gonna go in with this purple right here. This is my e.l.f. palette. I had this palette for a long time, so I don't know if you can still get it, but I'm just gonna go in with this purple shade and apply this right under the pink.
Respect me, pimpin'. Tell me how you feel, mama, tell me what you see. A certified dime piece, sir. Louis 1-3, 150 a shot, 3 for you and 3 for me. I'm checking your body language. I love the conversation, and when you lick your lips, I get a tingling sensation. Now we're both by tipsy. You say you in the mood, all I need is about an hour.
After I apply those shades, I'm gonna go in with this blue right here. Maybe I can see that. And I'm just gonna apply this to my inner corners. Pretty much look like a goddamn fool. Like, it's okay, I'll clean it up. I'm gonna go in with this, I can't see, I'm gonna go in with this blue shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that right over top.
I forgot name. I can't bob in the wetter rain. Rather go and bob all main. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spent 3 racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot name. Yeah, I can't buy no in the wetter rain. Ooh, rather go and bob all main. Hey, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
So now I'm gonna just go ahead and apply some liquid liner. I know I look crazy, y'all, but y'all always ask me how do I apply my liner. People always DM me and asking me, so just watch me do this. So I like the ones with the like the little point on them because I don't know, it's just easier for me to do it like that. And then I just do my wing first. So I just go ahead and create a wing first. Sorry if I'm like half talking, it's like I gotta concentrate, but I just start the wing first like that, and then I just like do the rest of my eye like very lightly. So just like follow, and then like you make it skinnier the closer to your inner eye you get, but you know, to your preference, so however you like it. But that's just like how I like to do mine. So boom, there's my wing, just like that. I just want to go apply some lashes. Now I'm about to wipe my baking powder off, so I just take a regular brush, and then I just, you know, you can do circular motions or however you wanna, you know, whatever technique works for you to get your baking powder off so that you don't have any flashback. And I kind of just like swipe for under my eyes, but not too hard. So just like that, you know, wipe all your powder away. You make sure like it's gone, like gone. What the? You make sure like it's gone, all down your neck, all that. And then after I do that, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna powder contour, only because like I like to set my shit. Like, I don't know, I'm kind of like a heavy makeup putter oner, if that makes sense. So now I'm gonna go in with some contour powder, and y'all can listen to my music in the background. And I'm gonna use all the brown shades, and I'm just gonna, you know, set my contour. I like warmer tone contour shades only because like I'm literally a brown girl, so the cool shades is not really a hit for me. Like, it just make me look like a zombie or something. So when you like literally brown, you have to use well, me personally, I like to use warmer shades just because it complements my skin better. I don't really like I don't like to use cool shades to contour. More of the story that I'm getting at. And then I just take my Real Techniques brush. This is a dual fiber face brush, and I take this peach shade right here, kind of banana, kind of not, I don't know what it is, and I just dip it in there, and then I just go over where I, you know, have baking powder at, so that I can make sure that I don't have no flashback at all. So boom, just like that. Which is highlight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my face with my Mario Badescu rose water, just like that. Get the skin, you know, feed the skin, and then I'm gonna go in with just the angle brush and my LA Pro Conceal setting powder. I don't like to use this on my face because I just don't like it. And then of course the infamous glow kit. I kind of overdid it with the hot sand, you know, as you can tell. I don't know if you can see, but I'm still going to use it anyways because this is literally my favorite. Like, it's literally my favorite. And I'm just going to, and boom, you see? The key is to wet the brush in the face. Like, I'm telling you, don't play yourself. See? Can y'all see? No, y'all can't because y'all blind right now. Like, dead ass. And I just put a little bit on my forehead because, and then, you know, keep on blending. Literally, like, is the sun in here or something? I don't know. I need to know, like, ASAP.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops.
Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute cause my time is very pricey. Yeah, I be